In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-respond to Facebook Marketplace inquiries. By the end, you'll have a friendly automatic message ready to go, so potential buyers get an instant reply even when you're busy. Start by opening the Facebook app on your phone. Make sure you're signed into the account you use for Marketplace. From the home screen, look toward the top right and tap the three horizontal lines. This is your main menu, and it's where you'll find shortcuts to different parts of the app. Next, go to Marketplace. You can either tap Marketplace directly from that menu, or if you see the small storefront icon at the top of your home screen, tap that instead. Either route takes you to the same place. Once you're in Marketplace, head to your profile area. You'll find the profile icon at the upper right of the Marketplace screen. This section is where your listings and selling tools live, including the settings we need to set up your automatic reply. Now, scroll down until you see Settings and tap it. This is where Facebook groups your marketplace preferences. The wording and layout can vary slightly depending on your device and app version, but keep an eye out for anything related to messages or responses. In Settings, tap Set a Custom Message. This is the feature that sends an automatic reply to people who message you about your listings. It's especially helpful if you get a lot of inquiries or you can't respond right away. You'll see a text box where you can enter a sample message. Keep it short, clear, and helpful. For example, you might say something like, "Thanks for your message. I've received your inquiry and will get back to you as soon as possible. Please let me know your preferred pickup window and any questions you have." You can also mention your typical response time, general pickup location area, and whether the item is first come, first served. Avoid including specific personal details or anything you'll have to change for each item, so the message works across all your listings. A friendly tone goes a long way toward building trust and keeping the conversation moving. When you're happy with the wording, tap Save. That's it. Your custom message will now send automatically whenever someone reaches out about a marketplace item. If you later want to adjust your tone, update your pickup times, or add a quick FAQ, just return to the same settings area and edit your message. With this setup, buyers feel acknowledged right away and you buy yourself time to reply thoughtfully. Thanks for watching, and happy selling on Marketplace.